I was having, I don't think it was an anxiety attack, but I was frantic.
Carla Compton suffers from anxiety and depression. It's a battle she's struggled with all her life.
I felt like there was a cloud hanging over me.
Compton isn't alone. Anxiety disorders affect 40 million Americans, according to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America. Leigh Richardson, a clinical director at the Brain Performance Center, says that statistic is not surprising.
If you have some anxiety, most people will have a little bit of depression. They're siblings.
In this case, Compton wanted to disconnect from those siblings, saying she was willing to do anything. She even admits to self-medicating for more than 2 decades.
My personality was just kind of dead feeling.
But it never made her anxiety and depression go away.
I would get stuck in a store. I'd be overwhelmed. You know, my heart would race.
Richardson gave her a possible solution that involved an integrated approach to brain therapy. The session requires putting on a cap and applying a gel used to read brain waves.
It does not hurt. You cannot feel anything.
Now all Compton has to do is watch a movie as Richardson measures the brain waves of concentration.
You know, we've all got slow, medium, and fast waves, and all of them are good. We just want to have the right amount at the right part of the brain.
After a few months worth of sessions, Compton says she feels like a new person.
It's the most amazing thing I have ever encountered.
She even has a message for others suffering with the same thing.
This is fixable. This is doable.
For Real News, I'm Macias.